Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 179 largest number. And before that, I would like to urge you all to please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and drop a comment. And in this we'll be given a list of non-negative integers and nums, and we have to arrange them such that they form the largest number and return it. And the answer might be very large, so we need to return a string instead of a number. So we need to rearrange these nums and form the largest number which is possible. So the nums are 10 and 2, so the largest possible number we can form is 210. And in the next case we are having the numbers 3, 30, 34, 5 and 9. So we have to rearrange it in the form of 9, 5, 34, 3 and then 30, not 30 and then 3. So basically the concept behind this is that whenever we have like we need to compare those two strings based like if we can concatenate them, which will be the largest number which we'll be having. For example, if we are combining 34 and 5, so will 534 will be greater than 5 will be greater, or 345 will be greater. So we have to sort on the basis of that. Okay, so firstly for that we have to convert all the number into strings. So firstly let's have a list of uh, string, let's call it str, so that is equal to new array list. And then we'll be traversing in nums for end num and nums, and we'll be adding to the string str dot add string dot value of my current num. Okay, and as I already told you that we'll be sorting on the basis of by combining these two strings and comparing them. So we'll be doing strs dot sort a comma b, two strings, on the basis of if b plus a is greater than compared to a plus b. Okay, and after that we'll be having our answer. So let's have a string builder and let's concatenate all the strings. So let's have it answer, that is equal to new string builder. And now let's run that for int num in, oh sorry, string num in strs. What I'll be using answer dot append my number, and at the end I'll be returning answer dot to string. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted as well. Now let's submit it. Oh, okay, so I forgot this 100 case, because in this like it gets combined as 0 2 zeros, so we don't want that. We'll be saying that if strs dot get 0 and the char at it is also 0, char at 0 is equal to a 0, in that case I'll just return a 0 string. And now let's submit it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.